Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin again. This is the May 2021 Batter Up Paper Pumpkin. This is what the kit made, what it is originally intended for. I want to show you, this is all of the supplies that I have left, and I'm thinking about making a card with this. I just haven't figured out all the little tricks that I want to do with it. But yeah, so we're going to be making a card, and let me show you in the real cards that the kit makes. Like this is what it makes. Okay, and I've been showing you alternates all week, and this is my last one if I don't make that other one. So I have some, what is this, Bumblebee cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, a 5 1/4 by 4 basic white. This is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and then some elements from the kit. Some extra pieces here, the stars that I used the other day from the Give It a Whirl set. I have some extra, so we're going to be using that. And this comes from the home plate. This here, I cut up a piece and I punched out a 1-inch circle and drew on the little baseball lines because I needed a baseball, and I have one bat and some twine. And this image also came in the kit, and I just cut it down smaller because I didn't like all the how much border it had around it, so I cut it down. So we're going to make this card, and before we get into making this card, of course, we're going to go over the Buzzworthy Business. Okay, we're going to start again with the Connect, Craft, and Collect $25 promotion. This is a ordering promotion. So either you place a personal order of $250, or you have a party, which means gathering orders from friends. You don't actually have to have people over and do anything. You can just gather order from friends, and if it totals $250, you get an extra $25 in Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product. Then we have our Join Plus special from May 4th to the 31st of 2021. This is where you buy our starter kit for $99, and you usually get $125 worth of product for that amount. But during this promotion, you'll be getting $155. Anything you want in the kit, in the catalog. This kit is totally customizable, so you can make it whatever you want. Anything that is available in our current catalogs, you can put it in your kit. Up to $155 plus tax. Well, not plus tax from that, but $99 plus tax. You get $155, free shipping, free business supplies, and a paper pumpkin kit. And this is the next month's paper pumpkin kit. Now, we're not sure what paper pumpkin kit you would get in your starter kit, but this is for June. The Expressions in Color that coordinates with the Expression in Ink product suite in the annual catalog. This is going to be awesome. You get 2 Stampin' ink spots with this kit. Usually only get 1. So keep all these promotions in mind. And if you would, I would love it if you would join my team. If you would like to place an order, please use my monthly host code that is on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com. Okay, let's get into making this card. I'm going to get some scrap paper here and get our, what did I say this color was? Soft suede. I'm not sure if I said smoky slate. We have the bat from the stamp set, and I'm going to stamp it in tone on tone across this paper. It might not even translate to what it's supposed to be. I just want something on here that's give it a little more texture to this paper, so it just won't be so plain. This middle section is going to be covered up, so put it that way. And how about the end of it? Didn't really get it. Let me get my head in here. Try to line that back up. Oh, that was perfect. Okay. Just gonna get some around the edges here. And one more. And we're done. Okay. Now let's start layering up some things. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this to our basic white mat. Now this kit, I originally told you when I did the unboxing that I was not sure about if I was gonna be able to come up with any alternate ideas. And yeah, that was so far from the truth. I've had a lot of fun creating with this kit. I did not think I was going to come up with all the ideas that I did come up with. So that was fun to do that. Ooh, let me close this ink. I almost stuck my hand in it. Okay, we have one more thing to stamp. And I need this pierce mat, Stampin' Pierce mat for this because I want to make sure I get a good image. So we're going to stamp the word friend. And we're going to stamp it in real red. And I already have it loaded up on my block. And I might get, let me see if I can do this without putting my head in the camera. Oh, perfect. And that's all the stamping done. So let's get rid of that. And we're going to go ahead and glue this section down. Guys, I have a hard time staying in the frame, don't I? Oh, I'm sorry about that. We're just going to sit this right here in the middle. Is that straight? No. No, no, no. There we go. That's a little better. I'm getting some of our, what is this? Stampin' Seal Plus. I ran out of my regular, so you don't really need the plus, but I'm just gonna put a little right there because we're gonna take our twine and make a nest. It's a little too big. Just gonna make a nest right here to hold our twine. Then we're gonna get our bat. I'm putting adhesive just at the top and at the bottom. And we're going to lay this across just like this. And we are going to take our baseball. Let me see, this is going to sit right here. And we want to take our baseball, put it under the bat, about like that. That's why I didn't put the adhesive all over the back of the bat. Let's see here. I'm trying to figure out where I can grab it. Just like that. Then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're going to pop this sentiment up here. This is going to be a quick card, but it's cute. I like it. We're just going to put this right here to cover up that end of the twine. We're going to take our sentiment friend, put a little adhesive on the back of that, and we're going to tuck it right here. Just like that. Then we're going to take our Take Your Pick tool and get our stars. Move this out of my way. And I need to release the backings. Because remember, if you watched my other video, I ran this through the embossing machine with the adhesive sheets. So we're going to put one here. Get the big one. put it over here. You get this tiny one. And we'll put that one right there. Then we're going to take some of our embellishment dots that came in the kit. And let's see. I want to use the yellow. I'll put one here. And one there. And one there. And that is our card done. Quick and easy, right? Let me show you the other cards that I made. Okay, so that's the one we made today. I've had a video on these two. I showed you those. Then I had a video on these two. These are the ones I used with the Give It a Whirl dies. And you just spin it like this. They're both the same, just different colors. Yeah, these are super cute. Okay, and then these are the last ones that I made that I did not show you yet. So this was the last one, the last card base that I used. And I just embossed the hat onto some Pacific Point cardstock, embossed this in white on the little red banner that came in the kit. Well, it wasn't a banner, it was just a rectangle. I made it a banner. And this is one of our card fronts as well. And I added the bumblebee. Now this card was very much out of the box. Ta-da! It says happy housewarming. Congrats. So as you can see, the little red came from this. I took one of these card fronts and cut it up. I cut all the little gray areas out and I popped that up on some Pacific Point. This house is the home plate turned upside down. I got these, well, the windows came from, let me show you. The windows came from watercolor shapes. I stamped the squares in Pacific Point. Then I stamped this oval and I die cut it with the circle, the little circle in, what is this called? Inspiring Canopy dies. So that little circle, that's the window up here. This is from the card kit, from the paper pumpkin kit. It was from this, the card front. I just made a little door. I drew a line and put two doorknobs. This here, this succulent and that little succulent back there, I cut that out of the hand, what is it? Grow Where You're Planted designer series paper. Let me see. I have it here. Bloom Where You're Planted designer series paper. So I just cut those right out of the paper there. And the little flowers, I grabbed Mango Melody instead of Bumblebee, but it's okay. But the little flowers comes from the peach dies. And what? Oh, the bush here. That, what is that from? That's from the Inspiring Canopy dies too. I just die cut all of these from one of the sheets of the Beauty of the Earth and made a little bush. I got that idea from Ink with Heather. Yeah, I seen her do that and I thought that was perfect. Give It a Whirl dies, the clouds, and that was also cut out like of the card front with the stripes. I thought that was cute. I was just trying to use up all of the pieces from the kit. And I put little ribbon here, well, the twine that came in the kit on the sides. I just thought this was super cute. What do you guys think? I love it. Let me show you all the stamp sets that I used on these cards. I used You Are Amazing for the congrats on the inside of this one and the little stars. This is the best chapter where I got the banner from that says Happy Housewarming. And then of course, I just told you I used those squares to make the window. So yes, this is the Paper Pumpkin Kit May 2021 Alternatives. Batter up. That is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing about a hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.